material. Suppose it is not mentioned, just like a question that two rubber balloons identical, two identical rubber balloons, charged rubber balloons, when you bring closer, if it is not indicated same material or different material, then also you should write the answer repel each other. So that is the thing. Okay, children, is there anything you need clarification?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Because your exams on Friday. So we have only one period. If you need more clarification, let me know. I will explain again for you.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yes.
ma'am, it's Uma. I just joined now.
1 minute. The sound is not audible for me. Hello.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Hello. 1 minute.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear us?
Now I can hear because there was a loose contact from the board. Or tell me now what you are asking for.
Ma'am, I just joined now.
You just joined. Okay, we just started only. Okay,
Okay.
children, do you want any clarification regarding any
Excuse me,
topic
ma'am.
for this exam portions? Yes, Gauri Parvati.
Ma'am, what is the difference between mass and weight?
Mass and weight. Okay, mass means uh, suppose it is the quantity which occupies space. Mass is the quantity of an object which occupies space. That means amount of matter, or we can say the amount of matter. Now, Gauri Parvati is a matter. So, how much is your total? How much quantity you have your body, including your organs and all? What is that mass? But weight means weight is the force due to gravity. That means whenever we are living on the earth, we know that everyone is experiencing the gravitational force. So, once you multiply with what force earth is attracting you. If you multiply that quantity with your mass, then it becomes weight. Or we can say the force due to gravity is known as weight, and weight also is a force. Okay, so instead of telling mass, if you say weight, the meaning is that it is a gravitational force acting on an object. So usually when you go to higher class like 9th standard, you have a chapter known as gravitation in 9th standard. In that, you are learning much more detail about this gravitation. In that, there is one point is given. The acceleration due to gravity of an object. That means with what speed Earth is pulling you. There's a standard value. That is 9.8. So if you multiply your mass with the 9.8, then that is your weight. Got it? Suppose a person has a 10 kg. What is his weight? His weight is 10 into 9.8. That means 98. Okay? And weight, SI unit also, since it is the gravitational force acting on the object, the unit also is Newton. Mass you will say in kg, kilogram, milligram, like that. And weight we will be telling Newton. Yes, Aramal.
Okay, ma'am.
Aramal, this is 8th class. I think you come to the wrong class.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh, this is 8th class, Aramal. Okay. Okay, you got it, Gauri? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So that. So suppose you can find, suppose you know your mass. Everyone knows your mass. You multiply with the 9.8. You will get your weight. Got it? Okay.
Ma'am,
So, yeah, tell me.
ma'am, can you explain the calculation of balanced and unbalanced force once more?
Okay, okay. So I just 1 minute. So unbalanced force means it is the force which is making an object to change its state. Its state means suppose an object is at rest, it will start moving. If an object is have a proper shape, suppose it is in a round shape, okay, and then we started to hammering it, then what will happen? That is an unbalanced force. So unbalanced force is something which is making an object to change its state of rest or state of motion. Suppose a person is riding a bicycle and he has come to a curve. then what he does? He will ride the bicycle, he turned the bicycle. So that is also is an example of an unbalanced force. An unbalanced force can act in two ways. One is in the same direction and another in opposite direction. Same direction means suppose two people are pushing a table. Just imagine two people, maybe one of your friends. One is pulling with the 50 Newton, other is pushing with the 40 Newton. So both of them are pushing in the same direction. Then it will be total unbalanced force will be sum of these two.
90 Newton.
Yeah, 90 Newton. Why we are adding it? Why we are adding it? The reason is that they are pushing, both of them are pushing in the same direction. Just example, this is the first person, this is the second person. And both of them pushing like this. That means both are pushing in opposite side. I mean, it's the same direction. Then we can say unbalanced force acting in the same direction. Then we will add both forces. Now, suppose the person is, one person is pushing this way with the 50 Newton. Okay. Another person is pushing in opposite direction. You are pushing and another person pushing this way. So what is happening? You can see in my hands. Both the hands are in oppositely facing. In this case, suppose this person is 60 Newton and this person is 20 Newton. Then what will happen? We will consider this is as a positive, and who is pushing in opposite to that one, we can take it as a negative. Then we apply the max. When you apply the max, 60 Newton plus minus 20 Newton. Or simply we can say 60 minus 20. What is your answer?
40
30, 40 Newton, correct? So 40 Newton. Why? That material is experiencing only 40 Newton. Why? Because this person is pushing it with 60 Newton full, but other person trying to push him back. So already this material is getting a 20 Newton from other person to come back to its original position. So finally, he is only experiencing the difference between both the force. So that is unbalanced force. So actually, when you speak about force, any change happening in any of the object, it is actually unbalanced force. For example, you push a chair, it is experiencing unbalanced force. You break into pieces, take a pencil, break into pieces, it is an unbalanced force. Okay. Or attracting a magnet with another magnet, it's an unbalanced force. Okay. Or pulling a flower or plucking a mango from the tree by yourself, by your muscular force, it is an unbalanced force. Okay. Or falling an object without applying, just a ripe mango, a ripened mango fall down. That is also is an unbalanced force. So in all the cases, there is an unbalanced force. But what is the unbalanced force in the case of a mango falling? Can you tell me? Name it, that unbalanced force which is making the mango to fall.
Gravitational
Gravitational force.
Gravitational force.
Yeah.
Got it? Yes. So according to the situation, the name of the unbalanced force thing. So what are the things happening around us? What are the actions we do? And when an object have a change due to that, maybe the change, which are the effects of force? Can you tell me, Amna? What are the effects of force? When you apply the force, what are the changes taking place in the object? Audio, Amna, your audio. Unmute. Amna, unmute it.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Now I can hear. Now tell me.
It changes the direction,
Direction. Okay.
shape, position,
Okay. Position.
motion, motion,
Okay. Motion.
size,
Size. Okay.
Speed.
Speed. Got it. So these
Shape.
all things. If you apply gravitational force, if you apply frictional force, if you apply electrostatic force, any of these things can happen. For example, as you said, plastic scale, after rubbing plastic scale attracting the paper pieces. So there's a changes taking place for that paper pieces because paper pieces are sticking to the plastic scale. Before it was on the table, but once I brought the plastic scale, after rubbing, paper pieces are sticking to that plastic scale. That means there's a change in its position. So it is an
Ma'am.
unbalanced force. It's an
Okay.
unbalanced force. Got it? So unbalanced
And
forces,
so which are the two forces acting on it?
which are the two forces acting on it means, I didn't get you. On which object? Paper pieces
the
or plastic
paper.
scale?
Paper.
Paper pieces. So whenever you bring the plastic scale, there's an attractive force, correct? Paper pieces are sticking. What type of force is that? That attraction taking place due to which?
Electrostatic force.
Electrostatic force. Correct. After some time, paper pieces fell down. Then what type of force is acting that time?
Gravitational.
Gravitation.
Yes, gravitational force. Now you got that point. Okay.
And so what about the scale then? Scale.
Scale. The scale, who is bringing the scale? Who is bringing the scale?
We.
You. Correct? You are rubbing and you are bringing. So what force is on the plastic scale? Which
Muscular force.
force? Muscular force. Okay. Now, plastic scale is attracting the paper forces. That is paper pieces. That is
Electrostatic force.
electrostatic force.
Okay,
After
ma'am.
some time, plastic scale has no charge at all. It lost. What might have lost? It has lost towards the earth. Okay. So that is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
force. So for everything, there is a opposite force. For example, you are running. Which force is making you to run?
Frictional force.
Muscular force.
Muscular force.
Muscular force.
Which force is making you to pull down?
Frictional
Gravitational
force.
force.
Frictional force. So both are equal. Once the frictional force is less, you can gain the speed. Correct? You started running faster. Even there is a frictional force, still you run because you are overcoming the frictional force. You are applying a force which is greater than frictional force, that is make you to run. Suppose a bike is moving, suddenly you apply the brake. In that case, which is more? This is frictional force is
Frictional
more
force.
and mechanical force is more.
Frictional
Mechanical.
force.
Frictional force is more. Yes, mechanical force is making the bike to run. But once you apply the brake, the bike stops.
Gravity.
Gravitational force also is a
Friction,
part
friction.
of it. Here,
Friction.
which is more? Frictional.
Frictional force.
Because the frictional force is more, that is why the bike is stopping. Otherwise, it would have not stopped. Gravitational force, of course, it is there. Why? The bike is stopping on the road. So already it is already attracted to the earth. There is no more gravitational force over there, correct? So already it is attracted to the earth. That's it. For similarly, a parachute, a parachutist, he is jumping from the aeroplane. When suddenly he jumps, what happened? The jumping
Gravity.
speed increases.
Gravity.
Jumping, which is acting gravitation.
Gravity.
Afterwards, he pulled that umbrella. Correct? He pulled that umbrella. Then what happened to his speed?
Become
It
slow.
decreases.
It decreases. So that time, which force is acting more?
Frictional force.
Frictional force. Okay. So the earth is trying to pull him maximum speed. At the same time, frictional force is trying to pull it, overcome the gravitational force, and it will pull it. It will reach into a particular position. Both gravitational force and frictional force both become equal. Once it becomes equal, the parachutist slowly, he lands on the earth without getting hurt. So at what position he is slowly is coming down, that is what we call balanced force. That means both the forces acting on that parachute is equal. Gravitational force and frictional force. So that is why instead of flying high, the parachute is slowly come to the land. In that position, gravitational force and the frictional force both are equal. Now, I try to understand. Some are got a confusion with the balanced force. So balance force, it is not a force actually, it's a condition actually. So try to explain to you this balance force. We can just understand this way. All the forces which is acting on an object should be equal. So if a frictional force is pulling this way, other force pulling this way, then another force is pulling this way, and other force is acting in upward, downward. So you can just think about a car is moving. Just think about a car is moving. Okay. How balance force acts? Actually, you don't have that another force, but I wanted to explain to you since you are asking doubt for it. To make it clear, this balance force. Suppose the car is moving. The car is moving this way. Okay. So this is the moving force. Or we can say, which is making the car to move. We can say mechanical force. Just think that the car is moving because of mechanical force. At the same time, there is a frictional force. Just imagine car is moving on a straight road. Moving on a straight road means there is no change in its direction, speed, nothing. Okay. It's just simply moving without any change in direction, speed, this thing is simply moving. So in that case, what is happening? This force, suppose if this is 2000 Newton, frictional force also 2000 Newton. In this case, a car is moving without any problem. Then we can say it is the balance force. It is experiencing balance force. Then you will be wondering, what about the gravitational force? Of course, gravitational force also acting down. So gravitational force also pulling the car towards the earth. At the same time, there is an upthrust or we call them normal reaction force. This is you will be studying in 9th standard. Since for more clarity, I'm just explaining to you. When there is a gravitational force, there is an equal and opposite forces acting, making the car to stand where it is. That we call upthrust. It is actually done by air. Air also trying to push the car upward. So this gravitational force and this force also are equal. That is the reason why the car is moving without any change in direction, without change in speed, without change in anything. It just moves properly. Okay. So at this point, you can say the car is experiencing balanced force. Why? If you add these two forces, it becomes zero. Similarly, if you add these two forces, if they are equal,
Excuse me, ma'am.
it's going to be
So if
zero.
it's zero, will it move? The
Yes,
car.
ma'am.
Car will move, but I'm telling that particular state, there is no change in that particular state. Now we are taking a example of a motion of the car. Correct.
So what about if it's a box? Will it move?
It is a box. It will not move. Suppose there is a box. It will not move. If you one force acting this way, another force is acting this way, another force acting and this way. If all these four forces are equal, it will not move. Okay, equal sense, it may be 10 Newton, then this may be minus 10 Newton. For example, this may be 5 Newton and this will be minus 5 Newton. So if you add a minus 5 plus 5, get cancelled. 10 and minus 10, it get cancelled. So always one direction is always positive, then other opposite direction always will be negative. So that is the mathematical theory behind the zero force or balanced force. Is it okay now?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you just have a revision of it? So I think balance unbalance was clear to you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Gauri.
Ma'am, if a question comes like a ripe mango falls down into the earth, the options are unbalanced force and gravitational force. Which one should we select?
In that case, you should select gravitational force. Okay. Because more appropriate answer is gravitational force. Okay. So you have to look at the situation. According to that, you have to give which force is predominant. Unbalanced force is there, but here it's clearly it is given that gravitational force. So there is a clarity in your answer. In other case, if you balance force, unbalanced force, zero force, what should be your answer? Balanced force, unbalanced force, zero force. The same question, what will be your
Unbalanced
answer?
force.
Yeah, you got it?
Balance
Unbalanced force. So this is how in our board exam 10th standard also, when you read first, you will think that there are 2-3 answers are correct. You have to choose the appropriate answer. Got it? So how many
Ma'am.
contact forces we have so far? Which are the
Two.
contact forces?
Muscular.
Muscular force.
Which are the contact forces?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the contact forces? We have
Muscular,
muscular force and
frictional,
frictional force. Okay. Lakshmi, in the case of machines, what do you call for muscular force in the case of machines? What do you call for that muscular force? In the case of machines. Are you getting me? Answer. In the case of machines, instead of muscular force, what name you call?
Mechanical force.
Mechanical force.
Mechanical force. Lakshmi is not listening. Yeah, mechanical force. Okay, fine.
Excuse me,
And
ma'am.
then frictional force. Okay. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Gauri.
Ma'am, like that, a similar question. The car is stopping, so
Hmm.
the options balanced force and frictional force. Which is
Frictional
like
force.
frictional.
Your answer should be frictional force. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Okay, children. Non-contact forces. What is that? Shane John. Which are the non-contact forces? Non-contact forces. Can you name it? You are saying it, but I can't hear you. Okay, fine. Adityan, can you tell me? Which are the non-contact forces?
Gravitational force.
Okay. Then? Okay, fine. Ishal?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force.
Okay, fine, children. Now I am going to show you a worksheet. Just now you have to answer it as a practice of your revision. Okay? Yeah. So
Okay, ma'am.
this much only. So
Ma'am,
I
it's
just
CQ questions, one word
I
question.
am CQ questions only. So let me open that for you.
Ma'am,
This
will you ask one person or?
No, everyone have to attend to that. Okay, in your lecture note, write the answer. Then afterwards, we can have the discussion. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
1 minute. Let me open that. Where it is gone. 8th standard. Let us see. Okay. Don't look at the book anything. How much you able to answer? That much. Okay. So you are able to do this. First question. Read and then only write the answers. Otherwise, you can click it in your WhatsApp and then you can look at that and answer also. And since if you don't get time also, you can answer and see. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's full of
Ma'am, after
forces.
class, will you
Don't
send
get confused.
notes
Okay.
in the class group also?
Huh?
Ma'am, after
Yeah,
the
I can
class,
send
will
it
you?
in the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I can send it for your study. At present, you just answer and say, I'll give you, we have 5 to 6 minutes enough, I think. I think about
Ma'am,
15
should we
questions
write a
only.
question also?
Only answer you write. Questions and this I will send it to you in your class group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you don't have to spend the time on writing. Just read the question and only give me the answer. Don't write A, B, C, D and all. I won't able to recognize it. You have to write full answer. If it is push or pull, you have to write push or pull. I
Now
have.
should
I am
we
showing
send it
6
in?
paper.
Now should we send it in WhatsApp answer?
Send it in WhatsApp. Okay. Type your name because I don't think I will able to discuss with everyone. If you
Can
finish, we
Nishota?
can. Fast. There are 6 questions. After finishing 6 questions, you tell me, then I will raise it up.
Can you move up?
Can I move, everyone? Are we
No, ma'am.
completed?
1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, I think 1 on 2, I can move it. Correct?
No,
If we
ma'am.
discuss in the class,
No,
if we
ma'am.
discuss in the class, no need of sending in the WhatsApp. Okay, if we be able to discuss, no need of sending. Others,
Ma'am,
you
can
have
you
to
show
send
the
it.
first question once again?
Oh God. Okay. 4, 5, 6, only 15 questions. We can finish fast. So question number 7, read carefully.
Ma'am,
So
can
this
you
is
show the
regarding.
Can you show the second question?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, eighth question.
Which question?
After the 7th question, any question?
Yeah. Seventh question, read carefully, children, because each statement you have to read properly and then you answer.
Ma'am, fourth question, can you show?
The force exerted by a charged body on another charged body.
Ma'am, can you show the
That is fourth one. I am reading. The force exerted by a charged body
And
on
third one.
another charged body. Adityan. Muscular force also called non-contact, contact, gravitational, magnetic. Okay, one thing I will send it in the WhatsApp. Others continue. So Aditya, some of you could not write the first 1, 2, 3. I will send in that. You can do it. Okay. Okay. Time is there, ma'am. Can I move again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So I think 8 also you must have completed. Little more I move so that you will be able to see the 15th one. So last one it is. If two forces, 30 Newton and 50 Newton act in the opposite direction on an object, the net force acting on it is the, okay, that's the last question. Okay, you can send in my, you can click the photo and send in my WhatsApp. Okay.
Ma'am, what is GONG, gong?
Gong
Ma'am,
is
can I show
the one which is just like hammering it. Which question it was?
12th.
Ma'am,
When the hammer strikes the gong. Gong is the electric bell makes a sound. When gong hits on the disc. That is why. Hammer strikes on the gong. Gong is just like a disc in the electric bell. When the hammer
you will
strikes on
send
it,
the answer in
you
group,
hear the
right?
sound. Yes?
You will send the answer in group, right?
Yes. First you send in the WhatsApp. After checking, I'll send the answers in the group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe not now because I have one more class. Afterwards, I will send it. Okay?
Ma'am, in the 9th question, can you just explain it? I
An
didn't
object is said to be moving when a dash force applied. This is something like Gauri also asked me, correct? One doubt. So think about it, that some examples which will be more appropriate answer. An object is said to be moving when dash applied on it. You have to look for the appropriate answer for it. Balance, unbalance, electrostatic, gravitational force. You have to think about what is the definition of electrostatic force, what is the definition of gravitational force before you write it. Then only you will be able to see which force is correct, whether it's unbalanced or balanced. Got it? So electrostatic force is applicable only in the situation between two charged bodies. Think about it. Otherwise, it is not applicable. Similarly, gravitational force is applicable only if there's an attraction between the objects by the earth and the object. Then only it is applicable. Otherwise, it is not
Okay, ma'am.
applicable. So you got the clue now. Okay. I explained in the beginning of the class a lot about it. Got it? So that's why this is give you little confusion, but you should have the clear concept.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of gong? G-O-N-G.
Gong is a disc type structure inside the electric bell. This is our ordinary electric bell. We are not talking about digital. Now we have digital electric bell. Our old electric bell in our school and we have no.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. In that inside the gong is there. We have to hammer it with it. So sound will be produced. Okay, I think it's time up now. Shall I wind up the session?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Attendance.
Attendance already. Let me see how many. Okay. 2 minutes. I just mark it. You continue. I can see your participants list and we can mark the attendance. 40 participants. Majority all are present in your class.
I'm only 35 participants.
Only 34 students are present.
Then what is this 40 to come? Other students are joined. Other class. Is it
Yes,
so?
That's the waiting list.
Okay, fine. Carlin present. Let me go to the first one. Gauri Parvati present. Lakshmi present. Amrita Viju present. Hessa, Isa, Rajita, Parvati, Carlin Matthew, Amna Shirin. Who is this connecting to audio? Tanmay, okay, correct. Abhinav Bijoy, Sriram, Gauri Shankari, Uma Parvati, Ishal, Bahuja, Anusha, Shreya, okay, Abhinand Krishna, Jahan, Anthony Babu Adityan, Amal, Shane John, Anjali Abiju, Dilla, Annette Rose, Arjun MR, Anthony Babu, Rudra Sanil, Vaishnav Suresh, Abhinav PA, Parthi VS. Only this many. So Milan is absent. So many absent.
Ma'am.
Ayan? I didn't see Ayan over there. Ayan absent. Is it so?
Ma'am, I am present.
Ayan present, huh? Okay, fine.
Ma'am, Shifana absent.
Shifana
I'm in
absent.
14th.
Malavika, KK, Krishna Kripa. I didn't see any of the students. They are absent. Milan absent. Nelvin absent. Yes, Shifana absent. Correct. Shreya baby is there. Shreya baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Srihari. I didn't see Srihari. Yes, these two. Okay, children. Shall I wind up the session now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I
Excuse me,
will
ma'am.
send the answers after my classes. Okay.
Ma'am,
You just wait for it. Send
Ma'am.
it in the WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I need question. I didn't write fifth question.
Okay, I will send it, Ayan. You wait for it. Okay, I'll just send it. Okay.
Thank
Let
you,
me
ma'am.
check whether I have downloaded in my mobile. Then I